Uh, Good evening, friends. The question that came to me this week is about the dosha, like Manglik dosha, that is Savai dosha, etc. Any Kalasarpa dosha or any other dosha are to be read from the divisional charts or from the birth chart. I think someone has asked a serious doubt because the divisional charts are something like the natal chart also. The thing is, the divisional charts are parts of the basic chart. Divisional charts are showing the extension of the individual houses or bhavas in the natal chart. See, in the natal chart, the first house or first bhava is called the Lagna bhava. Second house is called Dhanam, Kudumpam and Vakasthanam. Third house refers about young siblings, initiations, like that. Every house is showing a particular portion of a human's life. Whereas divisional charts give a sort of assurance while analyzing them along with the natal chart. So natal chart is the prime. That is the most important chart. And before giving any results, we always refer to the concerned divisional chart, because for about this one, I will tell you one example. Say Navamsa, it talks about the wife. Dasamsa, it talks about the profession, the career. Dwadasamsa, it talks about the native's relationship with his parents and grandparents. So like that, it talks about, the divisional charts are talking about only about one area of a human's life. Whereas the natal chart talks about all the entire human life portion, which is divided into 12 parts. Dosha is a word which represents a deficiency. Dosha of a planet means the planet is either not functioning properly or functioning irrationally. If a planet has to give you strength, instead of giving strength, it may make you weak. That is an irrational behavior of a planet. That is called dosha. And in a chart, if a dosha is supposed to give very good results, but if it is identified with having a dosha, it cannot give that benefit. Say this Mangal dosha, that is Savai dosha. When Mars is placed in 2nd, 4th, 7th, 8th and 12th houses from Lagna, from Moon, from Venus, it is considered as having a dosha, which is called Savai dosha or Manglik dosha or Mangal dosha. Second house is Vakasthanam, Kutumbasthanam. When a fierce planet like Mars is posited in second house, the person's wordings will be very harsh. The person will be very violent in the family side. So all the positive qualities of Mars go in an ashtray in the second house. Like that, fourth house of conveniences, character, seventh house, which represents the spouse and the happiness from the spouse, eighth house, the extension or the longevity of the happiness from the spouse, and 12th house, it talks about the bed pleasure. So, in all these places, a fiery planet like Mars will increase the heat and it will spoil the mood of that particular bhava. So, that is called dosha, Mangalik dosha. This dosha can occur when Rahu is placed in the Lagna, the second house, the fifth house, the seventh house, eighth house, and 12th house. Same way, Rahu will make a person to behave in an erratic manner without any proper clarity on what he is supposed to do, or with some ignorance. So, in all these places, when Rahu is placed, it is considered as a deficiency. Now, it is very clear that all these doshas can be looked only from the natal chart and not from the divisional chart, because divisional charts are not representing the wholeness of an individual's life, whereas the natal chart shows the wholeness of an individual's life. So, when a planet is in deficiency, you should take it that you have to see the effect of that deficiency only in the natal chart. Hope the question is answered. Let us come out with another question. Whoever asked the question, if you people have got any question, you can give this question in the comments box, and that question also can be answered. Thank you. Have a good day. And today is a special day for Sri Ram. So let us all chant Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram.